Students, welcome to the biology class. Today we are going to continue with our chapter biotechnology and its application. In our previous session we discussed about the biotechnological applications in agriculture and medicine, and today we are going to start with transgenic animals. What are transgenic animals? Animals whose DNA is manipulated to possess and express extra or the foreign gene. They are known as the transgenic animals. The example is rat, rabbit, pig, sheep, cows have been produced. And the following are the reasons for developing the transgenic animals. The first reason is to study the normal physiology and development. The useful to study gene regulation, their effect on normal functioning of the body and its development. For example, the study of the complex growth factor like insulin growth factor. The next is your study of diseases. The study of genes which are responsible for diseases in the humans and their treatment. Transgenic models have been developed for many human diseases like cancer, cystic fibrosis, rheumatoid arthritis, and Alzheimer's disease. Biological product. Useful biological products can be produced by introducing into transgenic animals the portion of DNA or the gene which code for the particular product. The first example is human protein, that is alpha 1 antitrypsin, is used to treat emphysema. And in 1997, the first transgenic cow, that is Rosie, produced human protein enriched milk, that is 2.4 gram per liter. The milk contained the human alpha lactalbumin and was more nutritionally balanced for human babies than the natural cow milk. So it is can be happen only by the transgenic cow, that is the Rosie. Next is your vaccine safety. Transgenic mice are developed to test the safety of the vaccine before being used on the humans. The example is polio vaccine. And the last is the chemical safety testing. Transgenic animals are made to carry the genes which make them more sensitive to the toxic substance than the non-transgenic animals. On exposing to the toxic substance, their effects are studied in a less time. The next is your ethical issues. The genetic modification of organism, that is your transgenic animals, they shows unpredictable results when such organisms are introduced into the ecosystem that may be harmful for the public. So the modification and the use of living organism for the public services as a food, medicine, for example, creates problem with the patents granted. So to overcome that, Government of India has formed the organization called as Genetic Engineering Approval Committee, that is GEAC. G for genetic, E for engineering, A for approval, and C for committee. What are the aim and the objective of this committee, that is the organization? Number one, to decide the validity, and number two, the safety of the genetic modified organism for the public safety. Angered public is questioning that certain companies granted patents for the products and technologies which are grown, identified, and used by the farmer and indigenous people related to the specific region or the country. So this is known as the biopatent. The example is rice being used thousands of years in Asia's agriculture history, of which 200,000 varieties are in India alone. Basmati is unique for its aroma and flavor, whose 27 varieties are cultivated in India. In 1997, an American company got patent rights for basmati rice through the US Patent and Trademark Office and was allowed to sell the new variety in the US and abroad. This new variety of basmati was derived from Indian's farmer variety that was crossed with the semi-dwarf variety and claimed as invention or a novelty. Beside basmati rice, now the attempts are in a progress for the turmeric, that is haldi, and neem. So our rich legacy will reduce by other countries individual if we do not pay the attention or counter these patent applications. The next is biopiracy. This is again very important topic. It is defined as the use of bioresources by multinational companies and other organizations without proper authorization from the countries and concerned people without compensatory payment. Generally, financially rich nations or developed countries, they are poor in biodiversity and traditional knowledge, while developing countries like India and underdeveloped nations, they are rich in biodiversity and traditional knowledge related to the bioresources. Traditional knowledge related to the bioresources can be exploited to develop a modern application and used to save time, effort, expenditure during their commercialization. So some nations are developing laws to prevent some nations are developing laws to prevent such unauthorized exploitation of their bioresources and traditional knowledge. So to check these problems, Indian Parliament has recently cleared the Second Amendment of Indian Patent Bill that takes such issues into the consideration. So what is patent? A patent is a set of exclusive rights granted by the state, that is the national government, to the inventor or their assignee to the limited period of time in exchange for the public disclosure for the invention. What are the three criteria which should be satisfied by the patent? So number one is innovation, that novelty. It means the innovation must be new. Next is it may not be documented but is otherwise well known. And the third is utility, that is product should be particular use for the human beings. Controversies in India regarding the patent and biopiracy, turmeric, that is haldi, in May 1955, patent was granted by US Patent Office to the University of Mississippi Medical Center for use of turmeric in wound healing. But this was challenged by the doctor, and it was established that the use of turmeric as a healing agent was known in India for the centuries. So it was not a novelty, no innovation, and already being in the utilization of the human being. So the patent was revoked. The second was the neem. That is in 1996, Vanna Shiva challenged the patent granted to form the V.R. Grace and Company by the European Patent Office for the fungicidal use of neem oil, that it protect the things from the fungi. The Asian Indian text was flagged, means pointed out that there was no novelty factor because Indian had been them for the long, so the patent was overturned in 2005. Basmati rice in September 1997, Texas company Rocktech was given the patent on basmati rice lines and the grains, but later it was most of the claims by the patent. So with this, we finish this chapter, that is the application of the biotechnologies, in which we have discussed the application in the agriculture field, in the medicine field, transgenic animals, about the ethical issues, biopatent, biopiracy. So please go through your NCERT for the same, and if any query, you can contact me. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.